Alright guys, we got the Grizzly loaded up in the truck and we're doing some mods today that include this. Heading to my buddy Chris's. He's pretty much a Grizzly guru, so I'm gonna get some stuff done. Super stoked. See you guys when we get there. Also, this giant box came to my work today. It's not parts, but it's also something exciting. And you'll see it in the ride, so stoked for that too. Alright, got it unloaded. It even got a little bit of a bath on the way here in the rain. Okay, we're midway through. Started the video a bit late because I forgot.
What's that?
Chris is giving her. Check out this unit over here. This is the clutch we're putting on, right? This primary? Or do you already have it off?
What's that?
The primary, you already have it off?
It's off.
Okay, so he's already got the primary off. That's what's going on mine. This thing's looking freaking mint. Okay, so here's the factory clutch. I was running a grease setup. This is a grease-less setup, but I'm gonna put grease in it just to keep the dust out. And the back of the sheave is machined, so I can gain, I think it's 30% bottom end.
Yeah.
And then top end is just, I think it's matched to what your factory is. Originally was, after putting tires on, so. There's the old one, this is the new one. These are 18 gram weights and those are 16 gram weights, so that should help as well.
Are you putting Chris in there?
Chris even got me the quality Yamaha lube. Chris is gonna be YouTube famous. Sweet. Look, he has all the snap-on tools too. Better than I can afford. I cannot afford. Very nice. This is all apart. We'll put it back together and then we'll have like a few bolts extra so then we know we're for sure done the job.
It's lighter.
Yeah, it's lighter. Lightweight. When you reduce the bolts, you reduce bolts and you add zip ties and duct tape. Here's the other rig unit they got. Not sure what year this is, but this one's a 700 HMF Swamp XL. Sounds pretty gnarly. Don't know much about it though. These snorkels look wicked. Just use a bit of Scotch-Brite paper, scuff the primary up.
What's that?
What's next? Secondary's going in, changing the secondary spring. Putting a gold EPI. My 1 year limited warranty. I bought this thing over a year ago too. Clutch box is a little dirty. Snap-on doesn't have enough power.
No, I don't want to take it all the way off.
Oh. Okay, we're in the buttoning up progress. Everything's impact tight. If you're wondering what the torque specs are. And we're gonna put it out next.
That's silly.